Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter number 12, Aldehydes, Ketones, and Carboxylic Acids, part 1. So, first of all, what are aldehydes and ketones? Aldehydes are the carbonyl compounds which contain one hydrogen and one alkyl group attached to the carbonyl group, while in ketones the carbonyl group is bonded to the two alkyl groups. एल्डिहाइड्स में जो कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप होता है सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ, उसके साथ एक एल्काइल ग्रुप और एक हाइड्रोजन अटैच रहती हैं, जबकि कीटोन्स में इस कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप के कार्बन के साथ दोनों ही एल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच रहती हैं. नेचर ऑफ कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप. The carbonyl group is C double bond O, and carbon or oxygen of the carbonyl groups are the sp2 hybridized, and the carbonyl double bond containing one oxygen atom which is bound to the carbon atom by one sigma and one pi bond. The electronegativity of oxygen is much higher than the carbon, so that the bond is polar in nature, and oxygen attracts the electron towards itself. Now, the nomenclature of aldehydes in IUPAC system. The suffix E of the alkane is replaced by the suffix al, al. For example, HCHO this is formaldehyde and known as methanol. CH3CHO is known as ethanol. Now, nomenclature of ketones. In ketones, the suffix E of the alkane is replaced by ONE, on. For example, CH3COCH3, it is known as propanone in IUPAC naming, and CH3COC2H5, it is known as butanone. And now, preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First, the oxidation of the alcohols. Aldehyde and ketones are generally prepared by oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols respectively. It means कि alcohol जो aldehyde ketones की preparation है, if वो अल्कोहल के ऑक्सीडेशन से बनती हैं. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल के ऑक्सीडेशन से एल्डिहाइड और सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल के ऑक्सीडेशन से कीटोन बनता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन इज बाय डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स. In this method, alcohol vapors are passed over heavy metals like silver or copper. The primary and secondary alcohols give aldehydes and ketones respectively. And preparation of aldehyde by Rosenmund reduction. In Rosenmund reduction, the acyl chloride, it is hydrogenated in presence of palladized barium sulfate, and we will get the aldehyde. एसाइल क्लोराइड का रिएक्शन जब पैलेडियम बेरियम सल्फेट की प्रेजेंस में होता है, देन द एसाइल क्लोराइड इज रिड्यूस्ड, वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है इन एल्डिहाइड. नाउ formaldehyde cannot be prepared by this method, as methyl HCOCl is highly unstable. Now, next method for the preparation of aldehyde is from nitriles. And when nitriles react with stannous chloride in presence of HCl, first intermediate compound imine is formed, alkyl imine, and then on hydrolysis aldehyde is formed. And this reaction is called Stephen's reaction. इस reaction को Stephen reaction कहते हैं. And we can also prepare the aldehyde by nitrile by using diol H as catalyst followed by hydrolysis. अगर हम alkyl nitrile का reduction diol is diisobutyl aluminium hydride की प्रेजेंस में करते हैं and then hydrolyzed the product, then we will get aldehyde. तो हमें aldehyde मिलता है. And similarly, esters can also reduce to aldehydes with diol H. Esters का भी reduction हो जाता है diol H की presence में and aldehydes are formed. Next reaction is Itard reaction. In Itard reaction, the hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon like toluene, it is treated with chromyl chloride in presence of carbon disulfide, and so that one intermediate compound is formed, and on hydrolysis it is converted into benzaldehyde. So this way we can convert the toluene to benzaldehyde. Now, preparation of ketones. First, from acyl chloride, and when two molecules of acyl chloride react with dialkyl cadmium and ketone is formed. जब acyl chloride के दो molecule डाईएल्काइल कैडमियम से रिएक्ट करते हैं, देन कीटोन बनते हैं. नेक्स्ट, फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल्स. For the preparation of ketone from nitriles, the nitrile is treated with Grignard reagent in presence of ether, and we will get an intermediate compound which on hydrolysis gave ketone. जो ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट का जब एल्काइल नाइट्राइल के साथ रिएक्शन होता है इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ईथर, एक इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड बनता है एंड देन इट इज़ ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस गिव कीटोन. इससे कीटोन बनता है. नाउ फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट alkylation acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, and in this reaction the benzene is treated with acyl chloride in presence of acetic anhydride, and so that ketone is formed. तब कीटोन बनता है. Next, physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Now, methanol, HCHO, it is gas at room temperature, and 40% of the aqueous solution of methanol is known as formalin. Methanol का 40% aqueous solution formalin कहलाता है, and it is reducing in nature, and it forms silvering of the mirror and decolorizing wet dyes. Next is ethanol is a volatile liquid, and aldehydes and ketones are liquid or solid at room temperature. The boiling points of aldehyde and ketones are higher than the hydrocarbons and the ethers of comparable molecular mass due to the high magnitude of the dipole-dipole interaction. ये कीटोन और एल्डिहाइड का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ईथर और हाइड्रोकार्बन से ज़्यादा होता है बिकॉज द in alkyl or aldehyde and ketones the carbonyl group is a polar group and so that जो हाई डाइपोल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शन की वैल्यू आती है and the boiling point becomes higher. Aldehydes and ketones have lower boiling point than those of the alcohols of the similar molecular masses. It is due to the absence of the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in aldehydes and ketones. एल्डिहाइड कीटोन के बॉइलिंग पॉइंट अल्कोहल से कम होते हैं बिकॉज अल्कोहल में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग बनती है जो एल्डिहाइड कीटोन में नहीं बनती है. द लोअर मॉलिकुलर members of the aldehyde and ketones are miscible with water and due to formation of the hydrogen bond with water. But the solubility decreases with increase in the length of the carbon chain. It means कि जो लोअर एल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स हैं वो वाटर के साथ वाटर में सॉल्युबल हैं बट जैसे जैसे कार्बन चेन लेंथ बढ़ती है तो वो एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन की सॉल्युबिलिटी वाटर में कम होती जाती है. इट इज़ ड्यू टू द हाइड्रोफोबिक नेचर of the alkyl group. Now, acetophenone is a hypotonic liquid. Hypnotonic means होता है जो sleeping produce करता है and so it is used in medicines. इसलिए इसको medicine में use किया जाता है. Now, it's all about today and students please subscribe my channel Blooming Chemistry and press bell icon. Thank you students for watching my video.